delicious.
It does.
We're going to use our mini marshmallows. You're going to go ahead and grab this fluff that we just made. Pour that on top of your mini marshmallows. It just saves you time, makes it so easy. Pour that all in there. Make sure you don't get any of the mix. Perfect. You're gonna go ahead and put more of the crushed pineapple. You're gonna mix it all up. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. Let me know where you guys are watching from and if you would try this really easy and delicious dessert. Next, we're gonna go in with some crushed pecans. We're gonna mix that in here too. Now this is really good. Alright, and I know you guys aren't gonna believe me when I say that you are all done. This is all you have to do, but we're gonna take it a little step further. Alright, so I'm going in with some white frosting, and I'm just putting it on this random lid of Tupperware. And you're just gonna go ahead and just put it along the rim of the lid. Just try to say that 10 times fast. And then you just go all around.
Where is this going? This is weird.
I know, right? Just keep going. Sometimes you don't have what you need, so you kind of just have to make it up yourself.
Improvising, right?
Improvising, right.
Alright, so frosting
On the lid.
on the lid.
I think I did it right.
Okay.
And then you grab your bowl or your cup.
Ah, look at that. That's
Yeah.
clever.
Look at that.
And you
And I'm just gonna do like a twisting motion, like so.
and then you're gonna pull it off.
And now it has
That's genius.
frosting.
Whoever thought of that is just genius. It was my idea, right?
Now I have some coconut flakes here.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
Okay. Wait, that's the wrong size lid. Alright.
I think I want to be a genius like you, so I'm just gonna try to do this.
He's just stealing my idea of putting the wrong size lid. Alright, ready? Oh, look at that.
I guess I could just go like that, right? I don't need to do all that whole. Alright, and now we have a little fancy cup. We did it in a very non-fancy way. Hold on to that. We're gonna go ahead and scoop in some of our salad in there. Our salad dessert is what I call it. Some people call this Watergate salad, but I don't understand why they call it a Watergate salad.
I don't either.
Do you guys know why this is called Watergate salad? Some people say it's ambrosia, but this isn't really ambrosia. This is definitely a Watergate salad. We're gonna go all the way to the top.
Okay.
You want this kind of pouring out because I feel like it just looks so much nicer that way.
Okay, this is good.
And to top it off, we're gonna put some cherries.
Oh, look at that. That kind of looks like a face.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
All right, my favorite part is the taste test. This looks delicious and it smells really good too.
You like it?
Mhm.
Have you ever had it before?
This is definitely going to be a holiday party staple.
It's crazy.
It's really delicious. I like it a lot.
What do you
I
do?
give this a 15 out of 10.
15 out of 10?
It's really good. I love how easy it was. So it gets extra points for being no bake, super easy, and really delicious.
I like the lid trick with the
Oh my
frosting on
God.
it. It's my favorite part. Can I try a bite?
Yeah.